Alright guys, I'm going to show you this pasta I came up with the other day. We're going to start out with 2 red bell peppers, 1 red sweet pepper. We're going to need some tomato paste, 4 cloves of garlic, a bit of parsley to garnish it with when we're done. We're going to need some olive oil. We're going to need some butter, of course. Your pasta of choice, I'll be using Linguine here today. And we'll be using a blend of 2 cheeses, Asiago and Parmesan. We're going to need some salt, of course. And we're going to need some heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to show you guys how to put all this together. So to start this off, we're going to want to broil our peppers so they'll be easy to peel the skin off. So just go ahead and get your oven going. If you got a broiler, use that. Otherwise, you can just turn your oven on. So we're going to pop these in. And we'll just twist them around as needed. It shouldn't take too long. And we're going to go ahead and get our water boiling for our pasta, as you can see here. Add that in, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Alright guys, so we got our water boiling. I took out half of that 16-ounce package of Linguine, and I'm going to go ahead and just add it into our water here. And we'll let that get done as needed while we wait for our peppers to get done broiling so we can peel them. And in the meantime, we'll go ahead and grate some of that cheese and get that prepared. And it's easy selling from here, honestly. Alright guys, our peppers are perfectly broiled, and we're going to set these in a container and let them steam so they're easy to peel the skin off. And as you can see, the pasta's done. I'm about to drain that, and don't forget to save some of the water you boiled this in so we can get the sauce to the consistency we need. So I went ahead and let my peppers steam for about 10-15 minutes, and as you can see, it gets very easy to skin. You can just peel it all right off, that easy. So what we're going to do is de-seed them, de-skin them, and add all 3 to our blender here, along with our 4 cloves of garlic, and we're going to add in a cup of the water we boiled our pasta in. And just add a dash of olive oil in there as well. So I'm going to finish peeling these, add them to my blender, and then I'll show you what's next. Alright, so just for clarification, we got our 2 skinned and de-seeded bell peppers. We got 1 skinned and de-seeded sweet pepper. We got 1 cup of the water we boiled the pasta in. We got 4 cloves of garlic, a couple drizzles of olive oil, and we're going to blend this up and add it to our pan with some butter. We're going to salt it, let it cook down a bit, add our cheese, our heavy whipping cream, and get that sauce going. So let's do it. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and added in half a stick of butter. We're going to pour our whole mixture in and let that cook down a bit, then add our heavy whipping cream and our cheese. Look at that beautiful color. My goodness, it's about to be delicious. Also, don't forget to add your salt and a couple spoons of tomato paste. And you can just add the salt and taste it as you go until, you know, what's fitting for you. Alright guys, I let this simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. I got 1 cup here. So add the whole thing in there and let that cook down until we get the consistency we want. Then we'll add our cheeses. Alright guys, so I'm going to start adding in my cheese. I got maybe 1.5 cups to 2 cups of the cheeses mixed together. You can add in as much cheese as you want. Honestly, the sauce is so good it doesn't even need cheese, but cheese makes everything better, so we're going to add some cheese. Go ahead and get all that in there. Again, this is a mixture of Asiago and Parmesan, about 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup apiece. We got that in there, along with our 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to let all this just mix in together and make a beautiful, delicious, tasty sauce. And it will be ready here in a few minutes to add to our pasta and enjoy. All right, everybody, you can see how easy that was. It came out really delicious. It's super easy to make. For reference, if you want it to come out a little bit thicker, I would recommend using maybe a 1/4 cup of the water we boiled the pasta in and maybe add in like a 1/2 cup more cheese. But other than that, it's really good, really delicious, and super easy to make, like I said. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And I'm going to eat this and go to bed. So I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.